I breathe again. I breathe again. I breathe again. I breathe again. When you're not here, minutes feel like days, and I wait to hold you in my arms. Fever breaks, my body aches, but I'm strong and I'll hold on. Open the doors, feel the need in me. Come and take this pain away. Baby, love is like oxygen through my veins, and I need it. I feel my body shake and my heart's about to fail. A panic attack and I